G'day testers, Alex and Brandis here. What have I got for us today? We have the Phenix BK 130/36 Hipot. First of all, very important documents. As always, please don't lose them. We have our twin earth return leads. We also have our HV return lead. So you've got your control unit and the high voltage transformer. So you're also going to need your transformer power cable, your mains power cable, and your signal return lead. As I mentioned in the video on the 6CP50, it's also very important to make sure that you've got the safety interlock device in place. Without that, you can't use the system. So what are the benefits of this beautiful thing? First of all, it's going all the way up to around about 136 kV. So it's kind of fun to play with. It's got plenty of power behind it at 50 milliamps at that range, so lots and lots of power. It also has a secondary tap around the backside here. A bit hard to see, but maybe we'll get a zoom in close up later on. The benefits of that tap, it allows you to get 36 kV output, but it allows that at a really chunky 180 milliamps. So it's a fantastic power output to use for your lower voltage testing, and it's got plenty of grunt. The next thing to note on this particular unit, it is a PD-free unit, certified up with less than 10 pico or picocoulombs of partial discharge, all the way up to 100,000 volts. So for all you guys who love your PD testing when you need a HV source, this is the go-to for you. Thanks for watching. Feel free to have a look at the last video we did. We looked at the Phenix 6CP50 in that one and did another unboxing, and stay tuned for more.